Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we take you on a journey back in time to explore history. This car 1968 Dodge Dart United States holds a special place in the history of American automobiles. This compact car was part of Chrysler's effort to compete in a market that was rapidly shifting towards smaller, more economical vehicles without sacrificing power and style. The Dart was known for blending practicality with muscle car appeal, making it popular among a wide range of drivers. At first glance, the 1968 Dodge Dart showcased a clean and purposeful design. Its styling was straightforward, with sharp lines and a no-nonsense grille that gave the car a confident stance. Unlike some of its flashier competitors, the Dart opted for subtlety, appealing to buyers looking for a dependable vehicle with a touch of performance. Underneath the sleek exterior, Dodge offered several engine options to cater to different tastes. The base models came with a reliable slant 6 engine, known for its smooth operation and decent fuel economy. For those craving more power, Dodge offered V8 engines, including the potent 340 cubic inch small block, which provided thrilling acceleration. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 1968 Dart was its versatility. Buyers could choose from various body styles, including a 2-door coupe, 4-door sedan, and even a station wagon. This range made it easy for customers to find a Dart that suited their lifestyle, whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures. Inside, the Dart was functional and comfortable for its time. The interior featured simple, clean lines with easy-to-read gauges and well-placed controls. Dodge didn't overcomplicate things, focusing instead on providing a car that was practical and user-friendly. Safety was also beginning to receive more attention in the late 1960s, and the Dart reflected some of these improvements. It came with features such as improved seat belts and stronger body construction to offer better protection to occupants in case of accidents. A growing concern for American drivers that performance-wise, the Dodge Dart was no slouch. The Dart GTS, a sportier trim introduced during this era, came with upgraded suspension and handling tweaks. This made it a favorite among enthusiasts who wanted a muscle car feel without the bulk and cost of larger models. Fuel economy was an important factor for many buyers during this time, and the Dart's lighter weight compared to full-size cars gave it an edge. While it wasn't as frugal as some imports, it struck a good balance for American families who needed a car for both city and highway driving. The 1968 model year also saw the introduction of some cosmetic updates, including new taillight designs and a revised grille, which helped keep the Dart looking fresh and competitive. These subtle changes demonstrated Dodge's commitment to keeping the model relevant in a crowded marketplace. From a mechanical standpoint, the Dart was praised for its durability and straightforward engineering. Mechanics appreciated how easy it was to work on, which helped keep maintenance costs reasonable and the cars on the road longer. Collectors today value the 1968 Dodge Dart for its blend of classic muscle car charm and practical design. It's a car that tells the story of a transitional period in American automotive history, bridging the gap between full-sized muscle cars and smaller, more efficient vehicles that in the broader cultural context. The Dart was part of the muscle car movement that defined the late 1960s. While it didn't have the high-profile status of some other Mopar legends like the Charger or the Challenger, the Dart quietly carved out its own niche. It was also a car that appealed to younger drivers who wanted performance without the hefty price tag. Its relative affordability and variety of trims made it accessible, contributing to its solid sales during the late 1960s. The Dart's performance potential was often realized through aftermarket modifications. Many owners would upgrade engines, suspension, and exhaust systems, turning the Dart into a personalized statement of speed and style. In terms of legacy, the 1968 Dodge Dart is remembered as a car that balanced everyday usability with sporty appeal. It captured the spirit of an era when American automakers were experimenting with size, power, and design to meet changing consumer demands. Driving a 1968 Dodge Dart today offers a glimpse into that dynamic period. The car's raw, mechanical feel and straightforward controls remind us of a time when driving was about connection, not just convenience.in summary. The 1968 Dodge Dart was more than just a compact car. It was a versatile, well-rounded vehicle that combined practicality, performance, and style in a way that few others managed during its time. For anyone interested in the muscle car era or American automotive history, the Dodge Dart is a story worth telling.